Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Sassy, and this week I am beyond excited because it's going to be a theme week. So for those of you guys that are new, sometime last year I actually started a theme week, and it was a theme based on glitter where I created a different look every single day for a week using glitter. That's how my theme kind of like started on my channel, and I really want to continue that on this year because I truly enjoy doing theme weeks here on my channel. So for this theme week, it's going to be basically using affordable palettes this whole entire week that I actually really enjoy. So today we are going to start with some of my cheapest palettes actually, and are from Shopmissa AOA, which were launched for the holidays just a few months ago. Feels like yesterday. These are two of my favorites right now because colorful shadows are like my thing, and then we have some very neutral shades here. They're super pretty. So I'm gonna be combining these two just to see what look I come up with. I'm really trying to stick to something super easy because you guys definitely want me to do more wearable looks, and that is so hard for me to do, but we definitely gonna try it. Let's get right into it. So the goal for today, you guys, is really to make a super subtle look. So first I'm taking the eyeshadow palette, which is called Bare. I'm gonna start with this shimmery gold color, and I'm going to be applying that onto the brow bone. I highlight the brow bone first. So one of the main reasons why I'm doing this, you guys, is because first it gives a natural lift to the brows because you're adding light to the brow bone, so it kind of emphasizing them and making them look higher. So I really like that look. And second of all, because I love a brow highlight, and I usually add it at the end, but I realize that every time I do my eye look, and it sort of intervenes with the eyeshadow on the crease, and I really don't like that. So I'm taking a fluffy shade like this one. I'm gonna pick that color and start blending it on the outer parts of the eyelids. And again, you guys, every time I'm applying eyeshadow, I always go in circular motions. It's just how it works for me, depending on your eye shape. Of course, you want to do whatever motion works for you. So I'm just gonna apply this onto the outer like so. I'm only doing this to half of the eyes, and I'm kind of trying to keep it below the crease, even though I did went a little bit above. I'm trying to keep this shade below the crease and just focus it on the outer parts of the eyes, as you can see, like that. Super simple. My eyes are drooping down. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and using a lighter shade like this one right here. Now I'm going to start working that on the crease. Again, we're trying to make something super easy, quick, simple, but still look well put together. So I'm just dragging that shade, as you can see, all over the crease. You can kind of go crazy with this one just because it's not as bright. It's a very nude shade. It's not gonna fuck up the look. That's what I'm trying to say. You see what I mean, you guys? Super simple, super quick. Next, I'm gonna go take this lighter shade of the palette, which looks white to you guys, but it's actually a baby pink, very pretty, and I'm gonna be using that on the inner parts of the eyelids. And again, we're not cutting any crease today. We're just gonna go ahead and apply this and blend it in from the inner of the eyes to the middle of the lid. Again, these are very soft shades, so it's really hard to like mess up the look. So even if you're in a hurry, this will be so perfect because the shades are so nude and pretty that they will blend in no matter what. They will look great no matter what. Doesn't matter how you apply it, they're still gonna look good because it's a very neutral, nice shade. I'm honestly loving the way it's turning out, you guys, because it's so subtle, so cute. I'm now gonna go in with this bottom shade right here, and excuse my fingers. I'm cooking, you guys. I cook while I film, sadly. So I'm gonna take a little card. This is actually my business card, and I'm gonna apply it here just because we don't want to go below. We want to stay right here within that outer edge, and we're gonna go very close to the lash line and start smoking out the shade that we just grabbed, and we're just gonna drag it along. I'm first gonna focus it on the lash line, as you can see, like this, you guys. Nothing dramatic, then you could barely see it. We just want a very nice subtle look. If you guys want subtle look, I got you. So I'm just gonna continue doing that. And again, the card is just supposed to help you, guide you, like so. And this is just gonna give you like an elongated type of like eye look, eye shape. Just look at how pretty our eye looks. By the way, let me show you guys some of my favorite mascara in case you're interested. So I have two high-end mascara that I absolutely love and two drugstore mascara that I absolutely love. So I have the BenefitCosmetics Superhero Mascara. Is absolutely amazing. It adds volume to your lashes. I love the comb. I think it's perfect, and it also makes it super easy for the bottom lashes as well. I do find that this dries quickly, so do not shove it in and out because that's just adding air into the mascara, and it will dry it out super quick. Another mascara that I really like is this Roller Lash Mascara. I actually love it because of the wand, you guys, and it also does create a lot of length for the lashes, in my opinion. opinion. I really like this as well. And for the drugstore mascara, I love these two right here, the Lash Volumizing Paradise. I like it, it's really nice, but I don't like the one, to be honest. The one, I feel like it gets everywhere. It's just like really big. Like I feel like this is even bigger than my eyeball, but it's a very nice, cheap, affordable mascara. I also love this one by Revlon. It's their volumizing mascara. It also works really nice, lengthening and adding volume, and also for your lower lash it works really well, and it's super affordable. So in case you guys are interested, so for the lower lashes, you guys, that's my next step. I'm gonna add this shade right here. I'm gonna add that shade to the lower lash like so, not too much, and I'm sort of connecting it to the top lash. Again, easy, quick, simple. I'm actually not gonna apply anything to my waterline, you guys. I want to keep it super wearable, super quick. So I'm actually gonna add this mascara before I apply my lashes, but I want to show you how it will look without lashes on. So let's do that. Like, look how freaking cute, you guys. It looks super simple and super pretty. But let's keep going and show you guys now how it will look with lashes on. My god, you guys, the eyes looks absolutely so cute. I've never done something such a wearable look, even though I have lashes on. As you can see, you could definitely bump it out with some lashes. Anyways, let's go on to the face now. I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate. And for my face, for the primer, I'm gonna start with this Almay Luminous primer. So I'm just taking a little tiny bit. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over the face. Next, I'm gonna apply some foundation. I'm using the AOA foundation from CAILYN. And if you guys would like to know a little bit more of this foundation and how it applies and all that good stuff, you can go ahead and check out my Friday's video, which is makeup testing video. Hopefully I can continue doing those videos every Friday. I'm hoping that we can make that happen so we can test products every Friday. I'm also going to be using my little cute sponge, which, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this one. And I'm actually going to keep this foundation as a concealer as well, you guys, just because I don't want to add too much stuff to the face. So I'm going to just spread this all over my face. By the way, this foundation is a satin to a demi matte finish, and the coverage is a medium to full coverage. The only reason why I'm using this on this tutorial, even though it's supposed to be something like super soft, is just because I rather use something that is full coverage and that I can use it as a concealer, and it's gonna conceal literally everything on my face, and not have to worry about adding this, adding that, a little bit more here, a little bit more there, you know what I mean? I really just use a full coverage foundation and just move on. I'm actually gonna stick to powder for the rest of the face, just because I feel like when you start using creamy stuff, it can be a little harder to blend. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of this powder from Shopmissa A. It's their AOA Studio Perfecting Setting Powder, just to set that area. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer, just to warm up the face a little bit more, because this foundation is definitely on the lighter side for my skin tone. Okay, our face is a little bit more bronzed up. I'm also gonna go in with this Gold Rush blush, just a little tiny bit. And for some reason, you guys, I just feel like blush just add a little bit more of a youthful look, and I really like this blush from Benefit. Is their Gold Rush blush. Beautiful, you guys, my favorite one. So if you're not into highlighter, you can stop right here, add a lip color, and you're ready to go, and it looks super pretty. If you're into highlighter but don't want too much, I'll recommend something like this. This is the AOA Velour highlighter, and this is $1, you guys, from Shopmissa A. I like to take just my finger like that. It has a wet formula. I like to tap it behind my hand just to not add too much to the face. Then just go ahead, lightly tap it with your ring finger like so, and just make sure you blend that all in. Just don't leave it sitting there, just make sure you blend that in. So, and you see, just give such a like subtle glow, not too much, not too crazy. But for me, I'm gonna go a step further. I'm gonna first add a little bit of setting spray just to fix the face, because we use a lot of powder and my skin is dry, so I want to just set everything in, just refresh the skin, make sure all the powder is like melts into your skin. Once again, if you love this look, you can stop right here. Another highlighter that I really like is the AOA Studio Powlight Sunray. I used this the other day on Friday, and oh my god, it's so beautiful, you guys. And this is a powder highlight. Go ahead and apply that baby right in, and this is just gonna give you more of a blinding effect, and I actually like to use this on the highest, like everywhere, just on the highest point, to get that more of a blinding effect. $1 highlight, $1, honey, like ooh. And I'm actually gonna take a little tiny brush to apply the same highlighter onto my tear duct right here, and I'm also adding a little on my nose. Tap that in case you apply too much. So for the lip, I'm gonna add this liquid lipstick from NYX, and this is their NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Cashmere Silk. And you can practically go in with any type of nude, and I chose a liquid lipstick because it will last you all day long. This one is really nice. It's from NYX. I like it. It's very wearable. It's not as drying, but it just go perfect with the eyes. Anyways, this is the final look. I hope you babes enjoyed it. Make sure you stay tuned and turn on your notifications, because I want you guys to get notified every time I post this week, because it's a theme week. First look, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Anyways, babes, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, turn on your notifications, and make sure you watch my last video.